Let's look at this question. 9 children from Desai family, blah blah and blah, passed their class 10th examinations from 3 different schools. 3 of them studied in RBK Global School. Okay, 3 in Global School. 4 of them studied in RBK International School, and 2 of them studied in RBK Public School. Each child passed class 10th exam with distinct marks. I am happy everybody passed. It would have been even better if each child passed class 10th exam with distinction marks, but okay. Next thing, let's work. I have 9 kids, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Ayansh got the highest marks in RBK Public School. Ayansh, Public, highest. I can't record that right now because I don't know which spot Ayansh will come in. Vedika got fewer marks than only Ayush among the 9 children. This I can record. Here I have Ayush. Here I have Vedika. Okay. Nidhi got the least marks in her school, and exactly 2 children among the 9 got fewer marks than her. So you have Nidhi here, and she is least in school. Least in school. Okay. Ridan got the highest marks in his school. Okay. Now pay attention. Ayush is definitely highest in his school because he's overall rank 1. Ayansh is highest in public. Ridan is highest in whatever school is left. Highest in school. Rashi, who did not study in RBK Public School, got the least marks among the 9 children. So Rashi is here and not at public. Not public. Rashi is not in public school. Okay. The number of children who got more marks than Palak was same as the number of children who got less marks than Pooja. Now this is a seating arrangement inside that we know. The number of children who got more marks than Palak was same as the number of children who got less marks than Pooja. Simply means both of them add up to a total of the first seat plus last seat. See, you cannot have Pooja and if you had Pooja at rank 1, you would have Palak at rank 9. That is not possible. 2 and 8 is also out. 3 and 7 is also out. 4 and 6 is possible. At 5 you cannot have them. So 4 and 6 is the only possibility where Pooja and Palak can come. So you write this down. Pooja or Palak and Pooja or Palak. Do not be fooled by this. The number of children who got more marks than Palak was same as the number of children who got less marks than Pooja. That does not mean Pooja has to be ranked higher than Palak or Palak has to be ranked higher than Pooja. It does not imply that. Okay. Next is 3 students of RBK International School got more marks than the child who got the highest marks in RBK Global School. Okay. Pay attention. The 3 students of RBK International School got more marks than the child who got the highest marks in RBK Global School. Can Ayush be from RBK Global? No, because there are people who have scored higher than the RBK Global topper. So he cannot be global. He has to be international. Ayansh was already public. So Ridan will be global. He is the topper of the global. Okay. Now Ridan, if he has to be topper of the global, can he come at rank 8? Can he come at rank 8? Yes, he can, because he is in global, Rashi is in global, and then whatever. Can he come at rank 3? No, because he's supposed to have at least 4 people ahead of him. So that doesn't work. Okay. Oh, he cannot come at rank 8. Ridan cannot come at rank 8. Look at this. Among the 3 students of RBK International School, 3 students of RBK International School got more marks than the child who got highest marks in RBK Global School. Ridan cannot come at rank 8 because if he came at rank 8, he would be rank 1 in global, and global has how many children? 3 people. If he came rank 1 in global, there need to be at least 2 people below him. So Ridan cannot come here. Can Ridan come at rank 3? He cannot come at rank 3 because 3 students of RBK International are supposed to be higher than him. So the only place Ridan can come is rank 5. I don't know. Yes, here I had messed up the spelling. Double A here, double A. So he is in global. He is in global. Now Ayansh has got the highest score in public. Can he come at rank 8? If he came at rank 8, the problem with that, what would be the problem with that? Then Rashi would be the lowest in public, and we were told she's not from public. So Ayansh can't even come at rank 8. Ayansh has to be here. Ayansh has to be here, and Ayansh is from public. Now remember, Ridan was supposed to have 3 people from international ahead of him. Ayush is already from international. Vedika will also be from international. Whoever is at rank 4, Pooja or Palak, they will be from international. Done. Okay. And then the last thing known is, among the 9 children, the child who got the second least marks was ranked lowest in his or her school. See, 9 kids have already been filled up. The only kid left is Adit. Let's fill him up also. Adit is here. Okay. Let's see. If Adit is lowest in his school, Nidhi is lowest in her school, Rashi is lowest in her school, it means 3 international people have been mentioned, 1 public is left. This person has to necessarily be in global. See how? There were supposed to be 3 people from global school. These 3 are from 3 different schools because they are least in their own schools. All of them are least in their schools. All of them are least in their school. So they are supposed to be from 3 different schools. So 3 international has to be used up, 1 public has to be used up, and 2 global has to be used up prior to coming to the last 3 spots. So we know the schools for the first 6 spots. We know 7 precise kids. What are they ranked? For Pooja and Palak we don't know. For schools listing we don't know. Let's get to individual questions. If Palak got higher marks than Pooja, so Palak is at rank 4, Pooja is at rank 6. Then from which school did Pooja pass her class 10th? Pooja passed her class 10th from RBK Global then. Palak got higher marks, so Palak is at rank 4, Pooja is at rank 6, Pooja passed from Global. Done. Next question. If Nidhi studied in RBK International School, if Nidhi is in international, look at this. If Nidhi is in international, then Adit will have to be public because Rashi cannot be public. This is international, this is public. So Rashi would then be global. These would be the listings of school. Then who among the following studies in RBK public school? Public school would be Adit. Therefore, option 3. Let's get to the next 2 questions. Okay, prior to getting to the next 2 questions, let's also remove traces of what we learned in this question. You cannot have data carried over. Okay, let's move on. The next question. How many children among the given 9 got less marks than Ridan? Ridan is at rank 5, so there are 4 people under him. Therefore, answer to question number 3 will be 4. If Adit studied in global, okay, if he is in global, then Rashi cannot be public, so Nidhi will have to be public, and therefore Rashi will be international. Then who got the least marks in RBK International School? Lowest in RBK International is Rashi. Therefore option A, and all the 4 questions in this set can be solved.